Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Doric column, only way. Start by choosing your scale and material, then mark out diameter and height using a fixed ratio like 16:1 for classical balance. Cut or cast the shaft, adding flutes with consistent spacing and depth. Shape a simple echinus and abacus for the capital, then assemble, sand, and finish with paint or stone wash for authentic appearance and weather resistance. Gather precise tools and establish measurements before you cut or cast any pieces. Use a compass and straight edge to lay out the shaft diameter and mark the 16:1 height ratio, then create a jig for equal flute spacing. Choose a rasp and chisel for shaping stone or foam, and an orbital sander for smoothing. Accurate setup saves time and keeps each column element consistent and structurally sound throughout the build. Begin shaping the shaft, keeping flute depth uniform and checking alignment often with a plumb line. Create the echinus curve and flat abacus top from templates, then dry fit pieces to confirm proportions. Use stainless pins or construction adhesive for durable joins, then fill seams and sand transitions until smooth. Apply reinforcing brackets if the column bears load, then finish with primer and final paint or stone wash.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.